Croatian Film Festival this year, there's something for everybody. We've got some serious films, we've got some comedy, a classic. We're really excited that we've actually got to the 5-year milestone. It's a pretty big milestone for us. We've only seen it grow in the last 5 years, and it is absolutely our plan to continue to grow this and to ensure that a bigger group of Australians have access to Croatian film and Croatian culture.
Thank you to Mirjana and the whole team and everyone who's been part of the team for the last 5 years, because the work that you've been doing has been so vital to promoting modern Croatian culture in Australia.
I come every single year and I go and see every single movie every year. Very excited. The 5th year I think they've been doing it, so it's been amazing. Enjoyed every single year that they've had it.
I was looking forward to it because I'd never come before. I enjoyed it. I do believe events like this are ways of beginning to understand the people better and their culture.
I thought it was one of the best of the Croatian films I've seen over the last 5 years. I thought the music was absolutely fabulous, and I enjoyed the sense of community and the sense of spirit.
My favourite part would have to be the film. I just love cinema, and it was good to see my homeland, my heritage being represented. It's a good way to dive into another country's cultures, to explore their cinema.
We'll be coming back to next year's festival.
I will be coming back.
I'll be coming back next year, for sure.